Alright, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in a Google Doc. It's very simple. You'll click and drag to select the text, and then you'll come up to your little marker here, and then you can choose the color you want to highlight, and then you can select different text to highlight in a different color if that's what you need to do. Now, to add a comment, you can do the same thing by selecting the text, but this time you're going to click this little symbol here that says add a comment, and then you can add your comment, or in this case AJD for adjective, and then click comment. Now if you need to comment on another word, then you can put your comment there. In this case, we're pretending it's a number or a quantitative measurement. And that's how we highlight and add comments.